Come on, Xander, the finish line. Touch my hand. Whoa, you won. Wow. No, wait, it was Papa. Whoa. Oh, here comes Phoenix. Whoa. Wait, come on, Phoenix. Hurry, Phoenix, hurry. Go, Phoenix. Wow. Oh, and there goes Phoenix the other way. Phoenix just keeps running.
Who won?
2,202, Xander.
What? What's two?
I got him pedometer.
Oh, wow.
And so he's already gone 2,200 steps, and he's only had it on for what?
For 3 minutes.
An hour maybe?
Wow. Xander, are you tired? You were running really nicely. Yeah, you're pretty tired. Okay, that was good running, and you were first, Xander. To me, anyway.
Hey, I'm the old lady.
Oh, there he goes. And there goes Phoenix. And there goes Blight. Go, Phoenix. What's wrong?
Mommy.
Oh, there was a stick in the way. There she goes.
There's a stick in the mud.
Yeah, there really is a stick in the mud.
I know. There really is.
Phoenix is in the lead.
Go, Xander, catch her. Don't give up.
He's trying to play tag now, so he says,
Yeah.
Yes.
Go, Xander, go. Remember the fake out. Fake left and tag her right.
Oh, did you get me?
Good job, he got her. Good job. See, that's why you don't give up. Phoenix is running pretty well too. Ran a long way. And look at you. All you're doing is eating and watching. Okay, we're the spectators, evidently.
Today. I don't need to get sweaty again.
Mosquitoes. Look, I got